Introduce key features of HELLOLAND Astral Plus Gaming Tower PC. Step into the next generation of elite performance with this high-end pre-built gaming PC, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X from the Ryzen 7 9000 series Granite Ridge lineup. Based on the Zen 5 architecture, this 8-core, 16-thread processor runs at an impressive 3.8 GHz base clock, delivering lightning-fast responsiveness and smooth multitasking whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating. Designed for the AM5 socket, it offers the latest support for DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, ensuring maximum speed and performance for years to come. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, 16GB GDDR7 graphics card, this system brings your favorite games to life with cutting-edge ray tracing, AI-powered rendering, and immersive detail. Whether tackling modern AAA titles or demanding creative workloads, the RTX 5070 Ti ensures buttery smooth frame rates and stunning 4K visuals. Complementing the powerful CPU and GPU combo, the PC boasts 32GB DDR5, 6000 MHz memory, providing exceptional multitasking capability and ultra-fast data transfer. Storage won't be an issue either, featuring a dual setup with a 1TB PCIe SSD for lightning-fast boot and load times, plus an additional 1TB SATA SSD for extra storage of games, media, and applications. Cooling is handled by a vibrant RGB 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler, which not only keeps temperatures low during intense gaming sessions but also adds a colorful aesthetic touch. The RGB system is adjustable via a remote control, giving you complete command of your lighting setup. Ready out of the box with Windows 11 Pro, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, this system blends style, performance, and future-ready design. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or performance enthusiast, this pre-built PC is engineered to deliver the ultimate computing experience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.